Howard. With the football is Eric Howard. And on the play, second down, 11, ball on the 27. Eric Howard with the football. Ball on the 29-yard line.
It's a weird formation.
Quarterback keeping the football. Yep, to the gesture. Punt formation is number 32, A.J. Sarbaugh. Back deep is number 7, Frank DeSico. Taken by Frank DeSico. First and 10 for the quarterback for the Wildcats is number 12, Andrew Holland. The center, number 51, Brian Conley. Complete to number 7, Frank DeSico. Fumble on the play. Out 2 for the Wildcats. Pass is complete from Andrew Holland to number 80. Yard line. Pass is complete. 22-yard line. And flags are down. With the football. Pass is complete to number 80, Burkett Terrazoni. By Seamus Hennessy. It's up. Taken by Eric Howard. DeSico. Pumping for the Vikings is number 32, A.J. Sarbaugh. Yard line.
Slants, Andy, slants.
Pass is complete to number 5. That's Joey Perry.
I didn't win trips here. It's going to be over the line. Last.
With the football, 22, Mike Andrews. Back. The extra point coming out by number 58. No good. Save the score. The Wildcats 13, the Bucks. With the football, Jordan Witt. With the football. And punting is A.J. Sarbaugh. And a touchdown for the Wildcats. Point after try by number 58 now, Seamus Hennessy. It's up and good. Taken by number 22, Jordan Witt. Eric Howard with the football. Football at the 33-yard line. Pass is complete to number 5, Eric Howard. Quarterback Brett Trudejeski keeping the football.
Are you really? You look like 30.
Eric Howard with the football. After one quarter
I was born ready.
the Wildcats. A.J. Sarval. Kick is up and good. Pass is complete to number 6. Pass is complete to number 7, Frank DeSico. Down at 3. Pass line of the Vikings. Pass complete. Pass is complete to number 5.
You got two guys out there. Army Navy.
22 with the foot. Touchdown. Retired by number 58, Seamus Hennessy. It's up and good.
Swing up to the board, swing
The
up.
score, the Wildcats 27, the Vikings 7. Taken by Eric Howard. Eric Howard with the football.
Hey,
Football
3 yards each
number
play,
3.
so it comes up to 4th down, fine by me. You know? If they get an average of 3 yards of play. You hear me? Time out.
Pass. Eric Howard with the football.
All right, good job. Good job.
And A.J. Sarval punting for the Vikings. Taken by number 7, Frank DeSico. Football's on the 50.
He has no idea what he's doing.
And the pass.
Get on free. What should be on free?
Andrew Holland. And the pass is complete to number 6, Connor Ryan.
Where is Will going?
With the ball is number 22, Mike Anderson. With the football, number 22, Mike Anderson. Pass is complete to number 5, Joey Paris. Stopped on the play by number 23. Pass is incomplete. Ball kick. And the pass is intercepted by the Buckeyes. Number 3, Dan Pendleton. Pass is complete to Eric Howard. Eric Howard with the football. Quarterback running the football. And Brett Tulojeski. Eric Howard with the football. Eric Howard with the football. Quarterback keeping the football. Brett Tulojeski. Football is on the 30-yard line. And a flag is down.
4th down. They might run it.
Eric Howard with the ball. And that was the run. The Vikings 7. With the football, 24, Kevin Johnson. Kevin Johnson up to about the 45-yard line. Pass is complete to number 6, Connor Ryan. And the pass complete to number 5, Joey Harris. And flags are down. With the ball, Mike Anthony. Football is on the 17-yard line. With the ball is Mike Anthony. With the ball, Mike Anthony. And the tackle on the... With the ball, 25, Todd Hinkle. And that's a touchdown. So the score, the Wildcats 34, Vikings 7. Taken by Eric Howard. And he is brought down the 8-yard line. And the pass.
26:07.
Jordan Witt, ball carrier. And the pass is complete. Pass complete to number. Quarterback keeping the football, Brett Tulojeski. And they're supposed to be 7-yard line.
Alright, you're fine.
Pass is complete to number 6, Connor Ryan. Number 2 with the ball, Mike Gander. And the pass is complete to number 6, Connor Ryan. Pass is complete to Mike Gander. Fifth down, 4.
Who's he
And the pass is complete to number 6, Connor Ryan. Mike Gander, the ball carrier, up to about the 5-yard line. Second down, 3. The ball is on the 5. Pulling down, keeping the football, Andrew Holland. And that is a touchdown for the Wildcats. Complete to number 5, Joey Harris. Football is on the 5-yard line. Mike Gander, the ball carrier. With the football is Pat Hinton. Going at 833-2823. They are right on site here at the stadium. And the pass is complete. football, Jordan Witt. Quarterback sacked on the play. That is the end of the third quarter of play. With the score, the Wildcats still. Back deep for the Wildcats is number 7, Frank Casico. Kick is taken by number 7, Frank Casico.
Oh yeah, we got the quarter, my bad.
Ball is on the 45-yard line. Mike Anter, the ball carrier. Mike Anter, the ball carrier.
Actually, looks like he's like 50 something. He's 48.
Screen. Come on, Joe.
The pass is intercepted by the Vikings. Number 2, Joe Soretta. Repeating, Brandon Terrazzoni. Pass is complete to number Vikings. The Vikings, 32, A.J. Sarbaugh. Mark Deal.
Where do you at?
With the football is number 22. And it's Mike Anter, 13 for the Wildcats with the ball in the 46. Mike Anter with the football.
Here. How far out of home is it? Home, like, how far out of the drive is it to here?
How far are we from the school?
Yeah.
About half an hour and 20 minutes.
Punting was Mark Myers. Well, it will be 1st and 10 for the Vikings.
There. All right, so it's
Ball is on the 20-yard line.
because you know sometimes you just gotta give your camera
With
some
the
love.
football is Brett and with the ball on the 23-yard line. The quarterback with the football, Brett Chernijeski. They fumble on the play. Go. Picked up by number 7, that's Frank Pasico. And the ball carrier for the Wildcats is number 24, Kevin Johnson.
The players might take some showers. They might take showers or they might not.
With the football is Kevin Johnson. Wildcats.
I mean, the teachers are nice and everything. We have a lot of girl teachers there. I mean, throw it to me.
87, Jeff Meek. Punting for the Wildcats is number 8, Mark Myers.
Is it a public school in North Canton? Or is
Public
it-
school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Town,
the
whichever you
Vikings.
want to call it. Traffic.
Ball on the 44. Jordan Whiff with the ball. With the football, Jason. Ryan Chung with the football. Ryan Chung, the ball carrier. Ryan Chung with the football. And the final score